How's it going today, YouTube, and welcome back to Shaner's Mechanic Life. Do you have a mid-90s or 2000s Mazda B series pickup, Ford Ranger, or any Ford product for that matter, and you have a drivability issue, check engine light, something like that, and no matter what you do, you just can't seem to fix it? So with all your tests, it's come down to you're suspecting the ECM or PCM. So you make a call to the parts place you like to deal with, and you get some bad news. Your ECM or PCM is discontinued or back ordered with no ETA. You're thinking, now what do I do? You start looking around on the internet, making some phone calls, you find some used ones or some refurbished ones online, and you decide to get one of those. So whatever route you go, you get your replacement ECM or PCM, you go put it in, go to start your vehicle, and it doesn't start. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you why it's not starting and what you can do to rectify that problem. Here we go. The truck in this video is actually a 2007 Mazda B 3000 pickup truck. But in those years, them and the Ford Rangers were virtual identical twins, right down to the parts you use. As you can see, the computer out of this Mazda has got Ford part numbers and logos. So to remove this ECM, very easy. Disconnect your battery and just pull your connectors off. Undo these two nuts and the computer will come right out. So here's the old ECM. And when you look at the back here, it's got a Ford tag on it. These Mazdas and Ford Rangers shared so many parts in those years. Now a lot of these things are discontinued from the dealer, so it's getting used ones or remanufactured ones might be your only bet. So you want to look at these numbers. I ordered one online. As you can see, these numbers are the same. So we're going to plug this one in, hook up all our connectors. But with this having an anti-theft system, we're going to run into an issue. Yeah, you guessed it. Won't start. Basically now, this truck thinks it's getting stolen. So it's cut power to pretty much everything. So now what we're going to have to do is reprogram the keys to fit this PCM. Now these Ford systems are called PATs, Passive Anti-Theft System. What I ran into with my scan tool here, when I'm in the Mazda system, is I couldn't get access to any of that. So what I decided to try doing, since the B3000s and the Rangers are virtual twins, I'm going to try going to a 2007 Ford Ranger with a 3-liter V6. So you can see the top left, 2007 Ford Ranger, 3-liter V6. If you scroll down, we've got our anti-theft PAT system. So we'll select that. This pretty much explains it. Anti-theft functions in this vehicle are controlled by the instrument cluster. Ford anti-theft systems are also referred to as PATs, Passive Anti-Theft System. If the PATs module or the PCM or both is installed, which we did the PCM, the parameters must be reset in both modules or the vehicle will experience a anti-theft no start. Refer to parameter reset after security access is granted. So next you want to select functional tests. Select spare key programming to add a using key already programmed keys. For other PATs functions, select security access to gain access. So we'll continue, and we want security access, so we'll select that. Now for security reasons, it wants you to wait 10 minutes, so we'll select that, then we'll wait our 10 minutes. Okay, once this thing times out, we'll follow the instructions. So just like it said, in the instructions, we're going to do a parameter reset. Okay, you need 2 keys, which we have. We got one in the ignition, and they also have the spare. So press continue. Okay, so we'll follow the instructions here. Turn the ignition off, disconnect the scanner, wait 10 seconds. Insert the first PATS key and turn the key to the on position for 10 seconds. And then insert the second PATS key and turn the key to the on position for 10 seconds. So, let's turn our ignition off. Disconnect the scanner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So take our first key, turn it on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Take that out, take our spare key, put it in. Turn the key on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now turn it off. So now we've done that. Hopefully it should start up. Let's try it. Oh, everybody feeling lucky? Turn our key on and let's crank it. Right on. She fired up. That TPMS light, that'll be a job for another day, I think. Now, she's purring like a kitten. So before you go replacing your computer, you might want to make some phone calls, see if you can find someone with a good bi-directional scan tool that can do the program for you. Or, you might even want to go to a shop. Bring them the used ECM or refurbished one. Get them to do the install and the program. Well, I hope you found this video helpful, informative, and entertaining. And I hope it saves someone a lot of hassle and hopefully saves some money. Let me know what you think in the comment section. If you like that video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more like it, hit the subscribe button and notification bell in the bottom right hand corner. That way you get notified when we get new videos coming out. Well, that's it for tonight, everybody. Have a good night and keep wrenching.